Wondering how to learn SAS from scratch? You're in the right place. Whether you're starting from zero or brushing up your skills, this series is your step-by-step guide to mastering SAS, the language of data-driven decision-making. SAS, or Statistical Analysis System, is used by top companies and institutions worldwide. From analyzing clinical trial data to forecasting banking trends, SAS plays a massive role in high-stakes industries. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder or a math genius. If you're asking how can I learn SAS easily, this series is built just for you. We've broken down the entire learning path into easy, digestible episodes, each packed with real-life examples and hands-on demos. Here's how we'll help you learn SAS from the ground up. Episode 1, What is SAS? Episode 2, How to import and export data. Episode 3, Clean and transform datasets. Episode 4, Combine data with merge and set. Episode 5, Run statistical analysis. Episode 6, Create beautiful visualizations. Episode 7, Work with dates and time. Episode 8, Write clean, efficient SAS code. Episode 9, Intro to SAS macros. Episode 10, Final project using everything you've learned. This series is made for beginners, students, job seekers, and even professionals who've never used SAS before. No experience required. Join us on this journey from being a beginner to pro in SAS. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Like, share, and subscribe.